Good morning, all of you. So, as we have studied in last class, mole concept. So, presently we are discussing problems related to the atoms. Atoms in the sense of mole concept. If the problems will come in the regarding atoms, then how we need to solve. That is what we are seeing. So, moles of atoms will be there. Next, moles of molecules will be there. Same way, if we'll take moles of ions or moles of particles, anything we can consider. So now, at presently, we are discussing problems based on moles of atoms. So now, let it be. Today, fully we'll discuss that numericals only. So once again, I know that yesterday so many is absent. So now I will say you what is this mole concept and what we have been studied in the last class. So now if it comes to here, mole or mole concept, what do you mean by this means? Try to understand very carefully, guys. Suppose if you'll go to bank, they have millions of coins. Is it yes or no, Elmokil, Jayvarshini? Millions of
Yes,
coins
sir.
they have it. Correct? Once I same example I'm saying. So I will ask them to suppose I am the manager of bank and I will ask them to suppose you imagine you are only working in the bank. I ask you to I have given 10 bags of coins, same coins, and I will ask you to count. Then is it easy for you or difficult for you?
Difficult, sir.
Very difficult. Is it yes or no, Jayvarshini? Yes. So
Yes, sir.
in that situation, what you people will do? You will go and you will measure. Suppose you can come to know that each coin is having 10 grams mass. Now, totally you measure full bag of coins, and you measured. Each coin is how much mass? 10 grams. Correct?
10
Like
grams.
total mass suppose came into 10 kg. Suppose one bag of coins came into 10 kg. So totally how many coins will be there? 10 kg means how many coins will be there? So as we know, each coin is equal to how many grams? 10 grams. Yes or no?
Grams.
Please respond me, all of you. So that,
Yes, sir.
yeah. So 1 kg is equal to how many coins will be there? 100 coins will be there. Is it yes or no? Because 100 grams equals to 10 coins. Correct? Please
Yes,
respond.
sir.
So 1 kg coins if you take, which is equals to how many coins are there? 100 coins.
100 coins.
10 kg means how many coins will be there? 10 kg means 1000 coins. will be there. So 1000 coins. Suppose if 1000 coins are 1 rupee coins, then which is equals to what is the total amount? Total amount is equals to
1000 rupees.
1000 rupees. Is it yes or no? If it is 2 rupees coin,
Yes, sir.
I can say it is equals to 2000 rupees. If it is 5 rupees coins, then I can say which is equals to 5000 rupees. Like that.
5000 rupees.
So here counting of coins is very difficult every time. So that is why they are using what? Measuring mass. Correct or not? With the help of mass, they are counting the total amount of coins very easily. Yes or no? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Same way, if
Yes,
you come to chemistry also, chemistry scientist, so counting the number of atoms or molecules or ions or particles in a given substance, because given substance may contains atoms, may contains molecules, may contains ions, or we can say particles. Is it yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So counting
Yes,
of
sir.
particles is very, very difficult. Why? Because they are extremely small. Is it yes or no, guys? They are
Yes, sir.
extremely small in size. So counting of this one is very, very difficult. So that is
And
why
large in number also.
very large in number, extremely large in number. So that is why, understand? So we have a relation between these particles and as well as number, the amount of number. Middle we have some mediator which will connect atomic mass in grams. What we should call, or molecular mass in grams. Atomic mass in grams, what we should call, guys? Atomic mass in
Molar mass.
grams is only called as What we should call? Yesterday I taught you correct.
Gram atomic mass.
Gram
Atomic mass.
mass, or else we
Molar
can
mass.
say molar
Molar
mass.
mass.
No, guys. So molar mass and number of particles. Number of particles. So between these, connecting these two things, we have one more concept. So that is what, like, how we are using the total number of coins and total number of cost. We are using what? Mass is the mediator, which is connecting the total number of coins and total number of amount. Is it yes or no, guys? Please
Yes, sir.
respond.
Sir.
Same way here, molar mass and number of particles are connected by a concept called as mole. What is this, Ra?
Mole.
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 Are you clear, guys? What I am saying? Shruti?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Laksha? Jayvarsini, if you're not understanding, kindly ask me. Darun and Elmokil also, everybody. Okay? So now, observe very carefully. This is what? So, mole is the, what is the use of mole? So, mole is the, understand, a concept which will use to connect what? Which will use to connect molar mass and number of particles.
Number of particles.
Okay, guys? So that is you have to understand it. I hope you all understand. So now, as we know, this molar mass is different types, because if we'll measure the mass of an atoms, then we can say that is what? Atomic mass in grams. That is what we should call Ra. Molar mass. If we'll measure mass of an atoms, then what we should call? Please respond, Mira. Molecular mass. For suppose if we are measuring atoms, what we should call, brothers? Gram atomic.
Gram
Gram
atomic
atomic
mass.
mass.
We are measuring molecules. Gram
Gram molecular
Gram
mass.
molecular mass.
atomic mass or gram molecular mass. So now here, if you want to understand very carefully, as we have studied in the last class, understanding. So presently we are discussing problems based on moles of atoms. What we are studying presently now? Problems based on
Moles of atoms.
Moles of
atoms.
atoms.
So problems based on moles of atoms. Understand, Maitreyan? Adarshan? Moles of atoms. So I'm teaching very slowly. So if anybody is having any problem, kindly ask me. Now, if I want to solve the problems related to moles of atoms, yesterday I have taught you three relations. So now Maunis will say the three relations. Maunis, can you able to say the three relations? Darun, anybody? Recall to Tamil Selvan somebody and Manya and Samya also. Please. What is that first relation? Remember. So,
1 mole of atom is equal to gram atomic mass.
listen, guys. So first I want to say, what is molar mass? So molar mass also we can call it as. Now presently we are studying about what, Jayvarsini? We are studying about atoms, correct? So that is why this is called as. Molar mass is the common name. What is the symbol of molar mass, Mavanish?
Capital M.
Capital M.
Capital M.
See, 99% children will face problem in numericals of mole concept, because class 9th chemistry, one and only tough concept which children cannot understand is mole concept only. But you people don't have that problem. I don't think so. So listen very carefully. So we are talking about now atoms. So this molar mass also we can call it as what? Gram atomic mass. What is that?
Gram atomic mass.
Gram atomic
Gram atomic mass.
gram atomic mass. So what do you mean by this gram atomic mass means? Understanding. So atomic mass we are considering in what, Ra? Atomic mass is considered in grams. Understanding, Ra? So
Grams.
Sir.
understanding, considered in what? Considered in grams. That is only called as, what we should call, Ra? Molar mass. Okay, guys? And what is the unit of molar mass? What is the unit of molar mass? Unit of molar
Gram per mole. Gram per mole.
per mole. Kindly all of you remember. What is this? Gram per mole is the
Gram per
unit of molar mass. Are you clear, guys? Now, as we have studied in last class, so if we'll take 1 mole of any substance, 1 mole of, what is that, first the 1 mole of atoms, correct? We are studying first. So 1 mole of,
Yes, sir.
1 mole of atoms is equals to, what is the first relation, Ra? 1 mole of
Gram atomic mass.
gram
Gram atomic.
mass. What is that? Please respond me. Gram atomic mass. This is what you have been studied in the last class. Is it correct, Ra? So if you take any substance, as we know, others purpose I am saying once again, Ra. The option is called array. The Samil Selvan and Manya and Samya only. Now, for example, what is 1 mole of atoms? For example, Jayvarshini, what is the atomic mass of hydrogen atoms? Atomic mass of hydrogen atoms, I want. Atomic mass of hydrogen atom. Mass of hydrogen atom. Atom. Please respond me. Hydrogen atom. Yes. Hydrogen atom. Hydrogen atom means what, Pradosh? H or
Sir,
H2?
one, sir, H, sir.
Yes, sir. H, sir.
H
One U, sir.
equals to 1 into 1U, which is equals to 1U. Now, what is the
1U.
molar mass? What is the molar mass, Ra?
1 gram.
1 gram.
1 gram per mole. 1 gram per mole.
Gram per-
So that is what you have to understanding. So if you will take, what is the meaning of first statement? What is the meaning of first statement? 1 gram of hydrogen, which is equals to what? 1 mole. What is that? 1 gram of
1
hydrogen
mole.
is equals to 1 mole. That is the
One
meaning.
mole.
Do you understand, Ra? Everybody? Same way. This is the first example. Suppose if you take second example. Suppose if you take oxygen. What is that? 16 grams of oxygen atoms, which is equals to what?
Equal to 1 mole.
1 mole.
1
You understand?
mole.
Everybody? Alana? Shruti? Are you clear? Adarshan? Please at least in chat you have to respond me. Laksha. That is. So like that 1 mole of any substance, which is equals to what? Molar mass of the substance or gram atomic mass. Are you clear, Elmukil? Maitreyan?
Yes, sir.
This is the
Yes,
first
sir.
we have been studying. Next, second relation. What is the second relation? If you take 1 mole of any substance, if you take 1 mole of any substance, second relation. So 1 mole of atoms, 1 mole of atoms, which is equals to, what is that? Ra? They are fixed number. What is that?
Point
Avogadro number. What is that?
Avogadro number.
022
Yes.
into 10
Avogadro
power 23
number.
atoms.
What is Avogadro number? We have studied. What is Avogadro number? 8G.
0.022 into 10 power 23 particles.
Yes. Avogadro's number. So Avogadro's number we used to represent with what? L actually. But in our textbook, they used to represent with a N naught.
N, sir.
Okay. N or N naught. Ra? I will check it once again. I don't have textbook now here. So okay, let it be, no problem. So now observe very carefully. Avogadro's number. Now it is no use. After that only we'll solve the numericals related to the particles. Now we are presently studying what? Only numericals related to mass, not number of particles. Okay, guys. So what is this Avogadro number? What is this Avogadro number? Avogadro constant. How much? 6.0.
6.022 into 10 power 23 particles.
That is what. Understand, Ra? So example. What is the example? Suppose if you take 1 mole of hydrogen atoms. 1 mole of hydrogen atoms if you take, which is equals how many particles, Ra?
6.022 into 10 power 23 particles.
Do you understand, guys? If you take 1 mole of hydrogen, same way if you take 1 mole of oxygen atoms, 1 mole of oxygen atoms, then also it contains what? It has
6.022 into 10 power 23 particles.
particles. Do you understand, Alana? Particles. That is what you have to understand. Okay, guys, clear? This is the second part.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Ask me.
No, sir.
Now, in mathematics, you observe, as I said yesterday's class, if A become B and B is equals to C, then what is Ra? A becomes C.
C is equal to A.
Is it yes or no? Please
Yes,
respond.
sir.
If
Yes,
A,
sir.
A equals to B, then B equals to C. Instead of, then I can write A equals to C. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Please respond.
Yes, sir.
If you'll observe same way. Now, first statement, what is the first statement? Everybody read. What is the first statement? 1 mole of atoms is equals to what? Gram
Gram
atomic.
atomic mass.
Gram atomic mass.
Gram
One-
atomic mass.
Again, 1 mole of atoms equals to what? Avogadro number. Now,
0.022.
statements, one is constant, like B. B is the mediator. Who is that B mediator here? Mole.
Sir,
Yes,
gram atom.
No, mole is the mediator. Have you noticed it, Pradosh? Mole is the mediator. Here also mole and here also
Yes,
mole.
sir.
Yes or no? Correct, Ra?
Sir.
So now
Yes,
mole is
sir.
the common thing. Now what is the remaining two relations? Can you say? Anybody? What is the remaining two relations? What is that? Gram atomic mass, which is equals to what? Gram atomic mass
0.022 into 10 power 23.
atomic mass, which is equals to Avogadro's number. What is that? Avogadro's number. That's all. That is the Thar relation. Understand, Darun? Maitreyan? So now, that's all. So, which is equals to what? Gram atomic number also we can call it as what? Molar mass. What is that?
Molar mass.
Mass, which is
Molar mass.
Mass.
6.022 into 10 power 23 particles. Are you understand, guys? That's all. Please respond.
Yes, sir.
So now, example, if we'll take example, what is the example? If we'll take 1 gram of hydrogen atoms, which contains how many atoms, Ra? 1 gram of hydrogen atoms, which contains
0.022 into
6.022 into 10
three
power
atoms.
23 particles.
10 power 23 atoms. Here not particles, Ra. What should come here? Atoms, because we are studying
Atoms.
Atoms.
now. Next, if we'll take 16 grams of oxygen atoms, 16 grams of oxygen atoms, it also contains how many atoms, Ra? Which also contains
6.02 into 10 power 23 atoms.
10 power 23 atoms. Do you understand, Ra? Everybody, please respond me. Same way, if we'll take
Yes, sir.
sodium, how much, Ra? 23 grams of sodium. Understanding? 23 grams of sodium atoms, which is also equals to what?
6.02 into 10 power 23 atoms.
23 atoms. So it has been proved by a scientist, Italian scientist called as Amido Avogadro. What's his name? Amido.
Avogadro.
With a lot of experiments, he has been found this. That is why this number is known as Avogadro's number, a world's famous number. One of the world's famous number is Avogadro's number. He will be looks like an alien. Understanding? If you will see him, you will be even scaring also. His eyes are, his head is very big in size, and nose is very small. Like that, he will looks like alien. So that is you have to remember. So here, Avogadro number is related to not only atoms. What is that? It may be atoms, it may be molecules, or it may be ions also.
Ions are particles.
So what is mole concept? Try to understand very carefully. Now I am going to give the definition. So mole concept means, so the substances present in a given matter may be a what? Maybe a atoms, maybe a molecules, or maybe a ions. Do you understand, Ra? So 1 mole of any substance, 1 mole of any substance means what, Alamukil? It may be a atoms, it may be
Molecule or a ion.
it may be ions, which is equals to Avogadro number. What is that? Which is equals to
Avogadro number.
Avogadro number.
the total mass of that particles, which is equals to what? Their atomic mass in grams. Is it yes or no? Their atomic
Yes,
mass
sir.
in grams. That is what is called as mole concept. What we should call, Ra? Mole concept.
Full concept.
Concept.
Take understanding what is mole concept. If somebody will ask you, 90% cannot understanding what do you mean by mole concept means, try to understand very carefully, guys. So suppose I have given some substance, it may be contains what, Ra? Maitreyan, it may be contains what?
Atoms, molecules, ions,
Molecules,
or
may be
particles.
contains ions. Yes or no? So now, what do you mean by mole concept means? Try to understand very carefully, guys. So the total mass of particles, what is that particles? It may be a atoms, it may be a molecules, or it may be
Are ions.
so the total mass of, remember guys, total mass of particles means maybe atoms, maybe molecules, maybe ions present in a given substance. Present in a given substance given substance or matter, given matter equal to the is equal to the, it is equals to what? Equal to the, equal to their atomic mass in grams. What is that? Atomic mass.
Mass in
Or
grams.
we can say here also we can call it as what? Molecular mass.
Molecular mass.
Yes, molecular mass in grams. That is only we should call it as, what we should call? Molar mass. What is that? Molar mass. That is only called as mole concept. Do you understand, guys? Please respond me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I hope you all understand. So if you measure the mass of maybe the atoms or maybe molecules or ions in a given substance, so their total mass is equals to what it will become? Their atomic mass in grams. Understand, Ra? So that is why it is called as molar mass. So that is only we should call as mole concept. What we should call? Mole concept.
Mole
Concept.
concept.
Mole concept.
Understand. Tamil Selvan also joined. Very good. And Mani and Samay is only not joined. So very nice. Alana, hope you understand. Sriti also. And Laksha, everybody. Devarshini, are you clear with the mole concept?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. So this is called as mole concept. Now, from this, as we know, who is the mediator? Who is connecting the molar mass and number of particles? Who is connecting the mole number of particles? Who is mole concept?
Mole.
Mole concept. So now finally I will say one relation, that is, all of you note it down. So molar mass of any substance, what is that? Molar mass of any substance, understanding, which is equals to how many moles, Ra? One mole.
One mole.
Is equals to Avogadro's constant. What is that? Avogadro's number. Understand, Ra? That is you have to remember. Or else we can say molar mass of, please write second time also, which is equals to 1 mole, which is equals to what is that number? 6.022 into 10 power 23 particles. That is, can you able to remember this too? Both are same only. Either I can say Avogadro constant or I can say number. Both are same. Do you understand, everybody? Please respond me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Remember. Now, as we have discussed in the last class, hope you all are noted down this one. Is it over means you have to respond. My Tamil Selvan, are you understand Tamil Selvan what I'm saying? Pradosh, Monish?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Shall we move down, Maitreyan?
Sir, I have one doubt, sir.
Ask me.
Sir, for that relation you thought, no, sir, that three relations. In that, why, sir, only in third relation that Avogadro's number atoms came?
Because we are talking about presently atoms only. Have you seen Elmukil? Problems based
Yes,
on
sir.
moles of atoms. Understand? That is why I am writing
sir.
here gram atomic mass. Suppose we are discussing about molecules, what it will come here? Gram molecular mass will come. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
That is what actually all everywhere combined relation we can write. That is what this is, combined relation. So have you noticed it? Combined relation I have written now. Here substance means what, Elmukil? Any substance means what it is? Maybe it is atoms, maybe it is molecule, or maybe it is
molecules or
ions.
ions.
You understand? So now presently we are studying only about atoms, molar mass of atoms. That is why I have written only atoms. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Understand, Elmukil? Are you clear? Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Now please ask me.
No, sir.
No problem. So this is
Okay,
here
sir.
also I have written particles, but you should not write particles. Here we are discussing about what, guys? Presently we're
Atoms.
discussing about atoms. So you should write atoms only. Here also we are discussing about atoms. We should write atoms only. Purinjicha, respond.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Everywhere we have to remember that. Jayvarshini, you are in such a state that you should be able to explain very clearly to your classmates also. That is what I will expect always. With a single shot, you have to understand. Nobody will understand this one. Even though teachers will spend 10 days also, still people cannot able to solve the numericals. But I hope you, all people will understand now itself. Laksha, understand Laksha? Any doubt? Darun?
Yes, sir.
Darun, you also, my concern is more about it.
No doubt.
That is. So now we have two formulas for this mole concept. Now, second formula, we are not discussing about it. You maybe guess what is second formula. So remember, first formula is related to the given mass. So we have a two formulas. How many formulas, Ra? Two
Two
formulas.
formulas.
Two formula for mole concept. So mole concept or mole we can say. So one is related to, first formula is related to the mass, given mass. What is that? Given mass.
Given
And the
mass.
second one is related to the given number of particles. What is that? Given
Given number
Number
of
of
particles.
so this given number of particles, later we have a combined relation. What is the combined relation? Both mass and particles, mole. Yes or no? That we will
Yes,
study.
sir.
I think last end of this chapter. Now we will study this number of particles also we will study after that. Now presently we are going to discuss what? Only when they have given mass alone, how to solve how to find the number of moles. Is it okay, guys? Please respond me.
Sir.
So, whenever in exam in question you are seeing, if they are giving the mass of a substance and they are asking you to calculate moles, if they are asking you to calculate how many moles, understand, Ra? Then the formula is, presently we are studying what, Ra? Moles of an atoms. Is it yes or no, guys? So only how
Yes,
to
sir.
write in atoms alone. So not molecules. So what is the formula? As I said yesterday, number of moles of atoms is equals to, what is the formula, Ra? Number of moles of atoms is equals to, please write it. Number of moles of atoms. Number of moles of atoms.
Equal to given mass by
Given mass divided by molar mass.
Right. Mass of element in grams. That is what we can say given mass. Mass of
Element divided by molar mass.
grams in grams. Understanding? Divided by gram atomic mass. What is that? What is that, Ra?
gram atomic
Gram
mass or
atomic-
molar mass.
Gram atomic mass of element. What is that? Element. So this is only we should call it as mass of an element. Only we can say what we should say, given mass. What is that? Given mass
Given mass.
Given mass.
by, this is called as
Molar mass.
molar mass, common name. So now, given mass, what is the symbol of given mass? Small m. What is
Small m.
small m is the symbol of given mass, and molar mass is what? Capital.
Capital M.
Understanding?
Capital M.
And what is the number of moles?
N, sir.
Small m. Understand, Ra? This is the formula of when we are using this formula when they have given mass. So number of moles is equals to given mass of a substance
Molar mass.
divided by molar mass. Understand, everybody? Please respond me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Anybody kindly approach me. Ask me now itself. Alana, Darun, Jayvarshini, Tamil Selvan, Adarshan. That is okay. This is what. Now, what is the unit of number of moles? Unit. We want to check it. What is the unit? Verify all of you. N is equals to, what is the unit of given mass? Given mass must be in what? Grams. As I said. Have you seen?
Grams.
Must you have to take it in what? Grams only. If
Grams.
kilograms also you have to take it in what, Pradosh? You have to take it in?
Grams, sir.
So grams divided by, what is the unit of molar mass? As I said today,
Gram per mole.
what is the unit of
Gram
molar
per
mass?
mole.
Gram per mole. Understand, Ra? So gram will get cancelled. So number of moles equals to, what is the unit, Ra? Mole.
Mole.
Understand? Mole is the unit of, that is only mole concept. Mole concept. What is the unit of mole concept? Mole only. Are you understand, Ra? Till here, any doubt? Ask me kind. Please.
Yes, sir.
Finish the Shruti. At least
Yes, sir. Finished, sir.
Shruti, Laksha also. Till here you have to be finish it. Okay. Now we are going to solve the numericals. Shall we start now? Yesterday one numerical, two numericals I taught you. Is it yes, guys?
Yes, sir.
Two numericals I taught you. Now,
Yes.
yes. Two numericals, right? Third numerical. All of you, right? Calculate the number of atoms. Oh, sorry, number of atoms now itself saying. Okay, number of atoms. It's okay, right? That is also I will say. Right. Calculate the number of atoms in 0.2 moles of sodium. What is that? Ra? calculate number of atoms. Third question, sample question, example 3. Calculate the number of atoms. Calculate the number of atoms in how much, Ra? 0.2 moles of 0.2 moles of sodium. What is this, Pradosh? 0.2 moles of sodium. Okay, guys, please respond me. Now,
Yes, sir.
observe very carefully. This is related to, have you noticed it? Moles and atoms, they are asking, correct? Calculate the number of atoms, but they have given what? They are giving moles. Yes or no?
Mole.
Yes,
Yes,
or
sir.
no? No. Is it first formula will be useful? First formula only we have to use when? We have to use only when given mass. When?
Given
Mass. But here what they have given? They are asking what? Number of particles. Yes or no? Please respond me.
Yes, sir.
So at
Yes, sir.
this situation, what is the formula means? Second formula for note, or else normally you can write concept. Later only we'll solve it. After learning formula, we'll solve this numerical. Is it okay, Jayvarshini, Shruti?
Yes,
So
sir.
when they have given second formula, first formula when we have to use Alamukil, Maitreyan,
When
we have
only mass given.
formula only when they have given mass. Do you understand, guys? Given mass. Are you understand, Ra? That is, now when given number of particles, when given number of particles, what is that? Number of particles.
Number of particles.
Understanding, then the number of moles is equals to, please all of you note down the formula. Number of moles is equals to number of moles is equals to number of, what is that, Ra? Number of moles is equals to, what is the symbol of number of moles?
N, sir, small n.
Yes,
Malian.
that is, so number of moles is equals to, right, number of moles is equals to, or else you can write number of moles of atoms. Here also atoms only given, correct? So you can write atoms only. Molecules means we'll study molecules. So number of moles of atoms is equals to given number of particles. What is that?
Given number of
Given number of particles divided by one constant number of particles are there. What is that, guys? 1 mole of any substance. What is that?
Sir,
One-
Avogadro number.
That's equals to
Avogadro
Avogadro number. That's all. That is how to understand. Is it okay, da? Avogadro number. That is only the formula. Are you clear, guys? So now, second formula. When we'll use this formula, Ra? Number of moles is equals to given number of particles divided by Avogadro number. Is it okay, guys? Please respond
Yes,
me.
sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
number of moles is equals to what? N. Number of moles is equals to N. And given particles is N. Given particle symbol is what, Ra? N. Understanding? Divided by Avogadro number what? Avogadro number N naught. What is that? N naught. Understand? So please all of you remember this. So N means what, Ra? Tamil Selvan. N means
Given number of particles.
particles. N naught means Avogadro number. Understand?
Avogadro.
Avogadro number. Now, as we know, now two formulas we have been learned. What is the first formula? Number of moles is equals to given mass divided by molar mass. This is the formula 1. Yes or no? Next, second formula. What is the second formula? Number of moles is equals to given number of particles divided by Avogadro number. Is it yes, guys? Please respond me.
Sir.
Now everybody should speak.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, from these two more formulas I can write. What is that? From this I can write molar mass is equals to given mass divided